How to create Revolution slider in WordPress. First, go to your WordPress profile. Then go to Slider Revolution. This is my shortcode. Copy that shortcode. Select slider type as standard slider. Then choose slide layout, full screen. Then click on Pages and go to All Pages. Click on Edit. You'll be brought to a page looks something like this. On search box, search shortcode. Drag it over there. If we go ahead and paste that shortcode earlier, and click on Apply. And also make sure to click on Save. That's it. Thanks for watching.